What up? It's the Tut Master here. What's going on, guys? I'm just about to get some mowing done. Just got off work. Gonna mow up the backyard. You know, make it look freaking amazing. Cause I'm the Tut Master. Tut Master Lawnmower man. Yeah. Shoot, lawn maintenance man. Lawn hair cutter guy. The Tut Master of Many. What? Okay, catch you later. I'll report back. Oh, hey, what's up? It's the Tut Master Lawnmower Man here again. And I've got a portion of the backyard mowed. Yeah. Now I gotta do the other portion. Mow. Lots to mow. Yo guys, what up? It's the Tut Master back at you. So I didn't get to finish my update video yesterday, so I got pretty much the whole backyard mowed. There's still some patches that need to be mowed, but it was pretty tall. It was pretty tall, so it took a while. And I mowed some places that under some trees that hadn't been mowed for a long time. I got pretty much done, and I'm gonna pick it back up tomorrow. I might mow some tonight. Actually, no, I think we might be going to Barber Now's for dinner, maybe. Maybe, I don't know. It's a possibility, but I will catch you guys on the flip.